Don't want to miss something important? Your iPhone 17 lets you create reminders and even mark them as urgent so you get notified right when they're due. You can quickly set this up using the built-in calendar app. Here's how to create an urgent reminder. First, open the calendar app. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new entry. Go to the Reminder tab. Enter a title for your reminder and add any notes if needed. You can also include a URL if the reminder is related to a website or online task. Under the Date and Time section, set the exact day and time for when you want to be alerted. Next, turn on the switch labeled Urgent. Should you wish to add more details, scroll down to the More Options section, then tap Details. Here you can set an early reminder, like 5 minutes before or at a custom schedule. You can also add tags, flag your reminder, or set a priority level from low to high. Under Places and People, you can turn on Location and configure relevant settings. You can even configure it to show the reminder notification when chatting with a certain contact person in Messages by turning on the switch next to When Messaging. When this feature is turned on, you can select the contact you'd like to use this feature for. If you want to add associated images for this reminder, tap Add Image, then take a photo, scan a document, or select the desired image from your photo library. Once everything looks good, tap the check icon in the top right corner to save. Your urgent reminder is now scheduled, and you'll receive an alert when it's due. If you already have an existing reminder that you want to mark as urgent, simply open it from the Reminder tab, turn on the Urgent option, then tap the check icon to save your changes. And that's it. If this video helped you stay organized on your iPhone 17, give it a like and check out our other videos for more productivity tips you can use every day. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful guides like this.